Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your Stripe account to system.io. So first go to the system.io, I have linked the free plan link below and then head over to the dashboard. And once you run the dashboard and you are logged in, you want to go to the top right hand corner to your profile icon and then click on settings. Once you have done that, it will take you into this settings window. And from here, you then want to go to payment gateways and here you can see all of the different payment methods you can add. I have already added my PayPal account, so I'm going to add Stripe on video now. So click on connect next to Stripe and that will redirect you to Stripe's website where you can then enter your Stripe email. Even if you have an account, just enter in that email here. Once you have entered in your email, click continue, then enter in your Stripe password, then click login. I'm just going to verify that it is me, so I'm going to open up my Authenticator app and once I have entered in that verification code, it should then recognize and we are now selecting my Stripe account system. So we can go ahead and click on connect here. It's then going to return us to system.io and it should then be connected. So now we are back inside system.io. Let's just double check by going to settings again, then payment gateways. And now you can see your Stripe account is in process of being integrated. So that's how you can connect it. I hope that this video did help you out. Check the link in description for free plan of system.io. And if you have any doubts, leave a comment and I will help you there. Thank you guys for watching.